How you can get notes on your Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can get notes on your Instagram app. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. To get notes on your Instagram app, all you got to do, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search Instagram, and be sure you are on the latest version of Instagram, because if you wanna get notes feature on your Instagram app, you have to be in the latest version of Instagram. So just update your Instagram app, then open it. Now all you got to do, you have to tap on this messenger icon at the upper right side, tap on here, and here you can see that your note. So following this simple process, you can also get your note feature on your Instagram app. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.